Good morning, students. I am Anikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area. So now we will discuss about the occurrence of metal. Metal, the source of metal. The major source of metal is the earth crust. In the earth crust, apart from the oxygen and silicon, aluminum is the most abundant metal, followed by iron and calcium. Now, majority of the metals are reactive in nature. We have already discussed about the reactivity series of metals. In the reactivity series, we have arranged the metals in the order of decreasing reactivity. You see that above hydrogen, most of the metals are placed above hydrogen. It means those are very reactive metal, and below hydrogen are least reactive metal. So due to reactive nature of metal, in the earth crust, apart from the metal, as I said, that oxygen, silicon, sulfur are also present. So what happens, these metal, the reactive metal, highly reactive metal and moderate reactive metal react with these elements and adjust or forms a compound. So it means these reactive metals are present in the earth crust in a compound form, or also called existence of these metal in the earth crust in the combined state. So this occurrence of metal in the earth crust in the form of a combined state. Combined state means existence of metal in the form of their compound form. That is called existence of metal in the combined state. Now, copper and silver are the metal which are least reactive metal, least affected by air and moisture. By saying air means oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, and in the earth crust sulfur is also present. So copper and silver are the metals which exist in the nature in the combined state as well as in their elemental form. So when we talk about the elemental form, it means it exists in a native state. When the metal exists in an elemental form, do not combine with another element and form compound, then those metals exist in the earth crust in a native form. So copper and silver are the metals which exist in the native state as well as in a combined state. It means it forms compound as well as also it exists in a elemental form. But gold and platinum exist in the nature in a elemental form. It means it doesn't combine with any other element which are found in the earth crust. So remain as in a elemental form. So existence of metal in the earth crust is of two types. One, I said, combined state. So, moderate reactive and highly reactive metal exist in the nature in the combined state. It means metal are found or combined with another element and exist in the nature in the form of their compounds. And the element least reactive are found in the nature in the form of their elemental state. Copper, silver, gold, platinum exist in a elemental state. But copper and silver are the metals which exist in a combined state as well as in their elemental state. Now, apart from the earth crust, the sea water is also a source of metal. Like a sodium, potassium, magnesium are we obtain from the sea water. Sodium chloride, this is also called rock salt. Potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, it is found in their water, in sea water. So from the sea water we obtain sodium, potassium, magnesium, these metals. Now, metal containing substance found in the nature either in their combined state or in their native state is called mineral. Metal containing substance found in the nature either in their elemental state or in their combined state is called mineral. In some of the mineral percentage of metal is very high and percentage of some unwanted impurities are low. And in some mineral, the unwanted percentage of unwanted substances are higher and percentage of metal is lower. So now those mineral from which metal can be extracted conveniently and profitably are called ores. It means those minerals which contain higher percentage of metal and lower percentage of impurities are categorized as ore. So what is an ore? Mineral from which metal can be extracted conveniently and profitably are called ores. An unwanted substance like a clay, mica, limestone present in an ore is called gangue or matrix. What is a gangue or matrix? The unwanted substances present in an ore. Unwanted substance present in an ore like a limestone, mica, earthy particles, limestone are called gangue or matrix. So there are different types of ore like a oxide ore, carbonate ore, sulfide ore, sulfate ore, halide ore. Like a oxide ore, aluminium occur as a one of the important ore of aluminium is a bauxite ore, which is of their oxide form Al2O3 twice S2O. Iron ore, magnetite Fe3O4, hematite Fe2O3. So these are the example of the oxide ores. Also cuprite Cu2O. Now carbonate ore, calamine ZnCO3, limestone CaCO3, sulfide ore, zinc blende ZnS, iron pyrite or copper pyrite CuFeS2, as to copper pyrite, halide ore, rock salt, NaCl. So these are the example of different types of ore. So please go through. Though I am watching this from Monday onwards, you people do not watch the video. Very few of you are watching the video. This discourages the teacher to make this video. So thank you. Have a